Oh, Fairlii, why are you so late? Why is Fairlii always so late? He never shows up on streams on time. Fairlii just be so late. He's stupid. He's so late to his own streams that he's stupid. Hi, everybody. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, afternoon, or night. Whatever time it is for you in your world. Hi, Love Rar. Hi, Frogger. Hi, Richard. Hi, Jow Hall. Godot. Yes, we are going to Godot today. We're going to Godot. What's up? Hello, Bad Design Brian. Didn't Unity fix stuff? Or is there still that problem? Unity's just like a big corporation, and I'm still kind of spooked. They did fix all the things, but I want to be versed in more than one game engine. If Unity screws up again in the future, I don't know, I'm kind of spooked. So I want to actually get more into learning Godot. And we're actually going to maybe attempt to finish an entire game in Godot on stream. I don't think all of it will be on stream, obviously. But we'll be doing a bunch of stream-related stuff for this game, which I'll explain what it is in a minute. Let me copy this and post it to the old Discord server so everybody knows. Everyone working. There you go. Okay. How have you guys been? Also, I'm gonna sit here and wait a minute for everybody to get into the stream, and in the meantime, do you guys have any like food or snacks? Have you brought anything to chomp and munch on and enjoy? What's up, Scribble? Also, hello, Shadow Knight. Hi, Samuel. Hi. Hi, ASIC. Did I say that right? What's up, possibly Axolotl? Welcome, everybody. What's up, Neocat? Fetty Fazby? You guys gonna see the Fetty Fazby movie? I would see the Fetty Fazby movie, but it's just too scary for me. I'm gonna start working on a game of Godot 2 right now. I used it once and didn't understand much anything. Yeah, I'm kind of in the same boat. I didn't really... the last 2 streams I did for it and me working on it by myself, I didn't quite understand what was going on, but I feel like, yeah. Why is Vitamin Games in your members list? Because they're a member? I actually just did a purge of the members list. Meaning, there was some names in there for people that weren't members anymore. But yeah, Vitamin Games is and has been a member for a bit now. I can actually check. Nah, I won't leak that. Didn't they create the project Arrhythmia? Yeah. Yeah, yes. I have this weird thing where, like, game developers that make really cool things like my videos. It's weird. What are some people that watch my videos that are cool? The people that made Dinkum watch my videos. The people that make Garten of Ban watch my videos. Vitamin Games, Aya. There's a lot of cool, really cool people that are much more interesting than me that watch my content. What's up, Dreamy Stars? I love that calm vibe on your streams. Thank you. If my streams weren't calm, I would be an absolute mess. I do get very not calm at points, though. So if Godot starts making me angry today, you'll hear it. We got 18 people in here, so I guess I can explain. I can explain a few things. The first thing that I want to say is, if you want to get a cool name that stands out in the chat with a cute little icon and also access to members only emotes, you can become a member with a link in the description down below, or if you hit the join button, it's there for some people. You can become a member for as low as $2 a month. You help me be able to afford cheese and bread so I can make grilled cheese and butter. And also you get behind the scenes content. And I'm also introducing a new thing starting my next stream, but I posted it already. And basically what it is some streams there's going to be a poll for members and they get to decide something random that I have to do during the stream. Been a while since I've watched your channel. I remember being addicted to lore hunting a while back. How have things been? Things have been crazy and all over the place. It's understandable that it's been a while since you've seen me. I haven't been doing much YouTube content lately. I was working super hard on Jelly Fields, and then I had to rework a bunch of stuff in Jelly Fields, and then the Unity thing happened, and then there was just a lot of stuff that's happened. But I'm happy to be coming back to YouTube with Godot. Godot is going to be my new YouTube thing, at least for these streams and for this game that I'm working on in Godot. $2 is enough for a cheese sandwich? I don't know. Okay, let's go over here. So we have my list of games. We're going to open up this one. It's called The Leaflup Tale. That's what the name. I love the thumbs up cat in the thumbnail. Yes. Welcome, Alexo. Also, welcome G Studios X. I keep forgetting to say welcome to all of the people that join. So, this game is currently called The Leaflup Tale. It's a platformer game. I have talked about for years wanting to make a semi-simple, just cute and interesting short platformer game. And with my limited knowledge in Godot and me wanting to learn Godot, I think I can do that. I think I can achieve making a cute, simple, and fun platformer game. I can actually go over to Asprite here. And, well, first of all, this is the palette that I'm using for this game. I'm actually using a different palette. I was gonna download the palette like, you know, just normally, but I decided to download this one because it says the name of it. So if people ever ask what palette I'm using, it's Resurrect 64. Okay. And this is what I have so far. The only thing here that's kind of... Oh god, everybody's having an argument about how much money it costs to make a grilled cheese. It's probably enough to make a cheese sandwich if you make it yourself. Bread, butter, and cheese surely got to be more than $4. But if you buy all three of them, and then you think about how much it would cost for each individual piece, you know what I mean? It's definitely less than $2. And you don't need butter to make it. If you were to buy cheap bread, cheap butter, and cheap cheese, you'd be paying cents. I'm at school. I can go back to live when I go home. Okay, Lucas. So this is what I have so far. keen-eye viewers might recognize something. But this tile isn't finished. This tile was just there. First thing to notice is this is the main character. He's a leaflup, and normally leaflups have a green leaf, but the main character in this game has a like orangey, yellowy, fall colored leaf. What's up, Franny? And the basic story for this is that the game is going to start. All I'm going to explain is the start of the game. Yeah, thank you, Brian, for posting a... Let me actually go here, because I think you can see the emote. Look, Brian posted a little leaflup emote there. And you can see it's got a green leaf. Okay. This one has a different colored leaf. And the game will start with you seeing this character being hatched out of the egg. So jellies come from eggs, and it'll be hatched out of the egg, and all of the other leaflups from this little village they're living in will come around you and be like, huh? What the heck? It's got this, and the other ones don't have this. And that's all of the story that you'll get for a bit. It's going to be one of those things where you have to, like, you're going to have to put it together. You're checking out Godot again. I'm really happy Unity backstabs so you can continue work on your game stress-free. My main game is still in Unity, sadly. It would be too much to port it over to Godot, I determined. By the way, guys, if you are here strictly for Godot, and you only care about Godot, I would recommend maybe not subscribing, because the second I made a Unity stream, I lost around like 75 subscribers. That is wild. People literally will only come to your videos for the engine you use sometimes. That is crazy. There is a Godot jelly in the Discord server. If you go to the Discord server, there is a Godot jelly and also a Unity Chan jelly. Is this a prequel to Jellyfields? No, this is just a standalone story that has nothing to do with any of my other projects. Okay. It's set in the same universe, obviously. But, yeah. Yeah. Okay. This was a little tile that I drew, but I think I'm going to draw like a new tile. Also, if I switch over to here, this is what I have so far. You can, oh god, I need to do display capture. You can move, right? You can jump. There's double jump support, and also there's variable jump height. So the longer you hold it, the higher you'll jump. And if you let go early, you'll drop earlier. It's not perfect yet. I need to add like a sprint and other things, but I mean, it's not terrible. For someone that doesn't know how to use Godot, really, I feel like I did pretty decent. But I want to get some art in here because I want to get this looking pretty. Is there racism in the world called leafism? I don't think they're racist about you having a different leaf color. I think they think you are special, you know? They've never seen a leaflup quite like that before. So their reaction is going to be like, wow, this must be a really special person. It's the opposite of racism. It's favoritism. You got an advantage in life because you were different. Let's see. The chosen one. You are the chosen one. So I've got some really interesting design ideas for this game, and I hope you guys are going to be invested in these creations that I'm creating of creationness. Thanks for coming to the Fairlii stream. What did he talk about? Oh, he said creations of creations. I hate devs have gotten hit with backlash. A lot of devs are deep in their Unity games. The changes to Godot would really set them back. Well, I wanted to do videos that the streams would be funny, where the first stream was me in love with Godot. The second stream was me talking about what I didn't like in Godot, and then the third stream was me going back to Unity and talking about what I like in Unity. People got really mad that I said that I liked things in Unity. I'm like, guys, please, guys. So yeah, people got very upset. And then I posted Unity with a thumbs up when they made their changes that are good changes. And people also got upset about that too and unsubscribed. So I'm not sure. I have an idea for what I kind of want to do here, but I'm not sure. I wonder if this would be better. No, it's like kind of gray. I kind of want to... Okay. Maybe I should make it like darker. Make this the bottom. No, that's not good. Using a different color palette means that I have to get used to like thinking of what colors I would want to use here. When you publish a game, put the splash screen as the Godot one. Okay. I have an idea for what I want the game to be like, but I'm not sure I exactly know what I want the tiles to look like yet. But I have this idea of things having this kind of jazz going on. This like shine. Should I have it go inwards? Or should I not do that? Let's not do that. Let's do that. Wonder if I should have it go down. And then these are like that. That's kind of cute. I'm wondering if I should do this. And get the very darker color. What's this looking like? That's pretty cute. What's up, Aya? Godot or death? Hi, Aya. How's the world's hardest, easiest, most hardest, craziest, hardest game ever doing? Is it still going goo goo gaga crazy? Because you're the greatest developer ever? Yeah, please give the video a thumbs up. You heard it from our unicorn friend Aya in chat. Support your local streamer so that they can eat cheese. See, I didn't say cheese sandwich this time. I just said cheese. Now I just want to eat cheese. Okay, let's get this lighter color here. If I make this go all the way, is it gonna look weird? Not exactly, but it's not exactly looking good. I actually want to do a... Let's do this real quick. View symmetry options. Where is the symmetry options? So tiled mode, tiled in X. Okay, because if I did like this. Oh. We'll just delete that and we'll do this. Is that too much though? I'm wondering if this is too much. If I do this, I basically need to just cut this out. Whoa. And then do this, 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 this. So that'll need to go up there. Yes. So this will need to go in the top here. I'm thinking this might be too... Can't wait for the A sprite tile set update. I mean, I've kind of gotten used to this. I feel like when that update comes out, I'm not even gonna bother with it because I'm so used to just doing this. That's gotta be too much, right? Nope, looks good. Yeah, A sprite's getting a tile set update where you can like draw tiles. Nope, it's good. Yay. Yeah, it's been in beta. I think I tried it once. I can't remember. So here we've got some good looking tiles going on here. Oh, by the way, the game is gonna take place in a forest. Forgot to say that. Forgot to say that. Whoa! So we want to make... I'm gonna make a single tile, which I think is gonna be like this. Are slopes difficult in Godot? I've when I first started using Unity, I didn't understand how to make platformers work, like a character work on a slope properly without just sliding down the slope. So I just stopped using slopes and then I forgot about them. But I kind of want to bring slopes back into my games. So are they easy for a platformer in Godot? Are they difficult? What's up, Veerst? Also, guys, I'm bringing back the jelly wall. So if you donate to the stream, you will have, I will draw a jelly onto this giant piece of artwork, and it'll eventually fill up with a bunch of jellies. For me, slopes work. Did you have to do any like weird random coding to make sure that your character doesn't like slide on them? I kind of want to go to the old Jelly World and then go to the what would this even be in? Probably concepts. Nope, it would probably be an old Jelly World. Yep. I like the way that I did the I guess I could just do that. I could technically have it be like this. And then this be the same deal. This time it's gonna be 2, 3, and then we'll do dun, 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 dun. That. Who didn't like the stream? Oh my god. It kind of doesn't work right because it doesn't. I wanted to, Move inside is your friend. It can easily handle slopes. Yay! The bottom isn't symmetrical. Yeah. Another bottom isn't symmetrical. I need to do that. But, I'm not sure I like what's going on here. I'm not sure I like what's going on here because of the. I need to. Hey, Fairlii, how much are your games going to cost and where are you going to publish them? I imagine most of my games will be published on Steam. And I would like to publish games on the Nintendo Switch. It's because of this that it's looking weird. Like if you look at like this, you know, there's the like light on the outside of this. But if I do that on this, it's gonna look weird. Maybe I can just do something different with this. Maybe I can just add just a pure. Like, I'm not sure I like the. I'm not sure I like what's going on there. That looks weird, right? The blocks seem a little dark. They're the same color. Like that's the same color. That's just like the dirt. That's the unless I use this color dirt, which is like the color of his thing. It's like orange. Is there a warmer toned, more saturated highlight? I can do like there's red and orange. I mean, this kind of counts as like dirt. But I don't know if that's the vibe I want to go for. I think the color of it is fine. I think I'm wondering if I can do something like this. Oh, that's gonna look wrong too, huh? That's good to look wrong. I was thinking of doing like this kind of deal where the lines are two different colors, but then that looks weird because that's much darker. Fortnite banana, what? Let's see. It's because of like this. Because this would technically be like that because, or no, I guess it wouldn't be like that. It would be even darker. I don't think, I mean, I can go darker. So this would be like that. No, it wouldn't be even darker. What am I saying? It would be lighter. It should be like that. It should just look weird. I'm not sure I'm liking this. When it's like this, that looks fine. So I'm not sure I'm totally into this design. So we're gonna try something different. We are going to try something different. I do like the idea of the little zigzags. Maybe I just have them. It's pretty standard in video games, like pixel art games, just have them kind of doing like something like this. Maybe I can do this. Maybe I can have it like and then this one will be one longer because it's in the middle. That's pretty, it's pretty normal. That's like your average tile. I guess I see what you guys are saying, that the ground is so much less vibrant. I feel like if I use these colors though, it might look a bit weird. I guess we'll just see. This is just totally orange. Whoa. Don't like it. Let's see. Oh, I kind of like it like being super thick. Oh, wait a minute. I have an idea. Does this go brighter? Oh, no, it doesn't go brighter. No. Can I do purple? Would purple look interesting? Oh, maybe not purple, but let's try a different color. Maybe something like lighter. No, lighter doesn't work. Was that the purple that I used? Maybe I can outline it. Okay, that's too much. See, now that's like that. Huh. Look at this tile set. This is like one of my best ones I think I ever drew. It looks really cool. Anyways, let's continue working on this. I kind of like this. It just doesn't have it doesn't have like the dimensions that I'm wanting for it. I think well, that needs to go like that. Unless I do this. I do the opposite. Okay. Let's do, I can do this. Sorry guys. This is how I draw my art. Stuff just happens. Oh. That's actually kind of really cool. If I like make it a little bit dirtier. Hold on a minute. The dirtiness might need to be taken down a little bit. I'm thinking like maybe like this. Too much dirty. Too much dirty. Uh-huh. And then we get rid of all these. I like this. I'm wondering if this should be a little bit like that, and then move this down one. Let's see if this looks better. I think I might like this better. I do like that. I do like this. Sorry that I'm not responding to chat, guys. I was in the zone. What do you guys think of this new tile? Let me know your thoughts down below. Like and subscribe for more content. What's up, Kyubi? Kyubi? It looks sick. I love it. Yay! Everybody loves me. Now, we're gonna real quick do something like this, and like this, and like this. I feel like I've gotten more betterly decent at pixel art. Then I guess it can just be like a little bit dirtied up. Maybe there can be little bits of the other color in there. No. That do not look good. That is too... It is just too much. That is... It's too high too. I need to also explain to you guys my ideas for this game. Like what even like is this gonna be? Because right now all you guys know is that it's just a platformer with this fella. I think it's weird because it's not the same height as the other tile. But if I do, whoops. But if I do it the same height as the other tile, it's just gonna have so much empty space. It's gonna look like that. Hi, Delana. Make it twice on the dirt tile? Let me do this. Let me get rid of all the little things on the side. And then let me color this in so I can actually see the shape of it. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think I might do this. Scronk. Nah. That looks weird. Please text me back when you finish your stream. Love you. Love you too. Wondering what I can do here. I wonder if I can like... Wait, what? I want to see something really quick. I want to see if I did something like this. And then these would just be like this. Nope, not like that. Like this. I love you too, Fairlii. That's kind of cool. That's actually kind of really cool. I would want to go with a... Maybe like super like dark. Like that. That's... Now that looks really cool. I think that might be it. That looks really good. That's awesome looking. I think we might have did it. We might have did it. So let's make this tile here. We gotta add that back in. Then we gotta, I don't know why I did that. We have to Extend this to be like this, like that. Could just do this. Make slope. Yeah, I need to do some slopes. Hey, I joined the Godot fam 3 months ago after moving from Unity. It's been a game-changing adventure, and I'm loving every moment. Awesome. Is that dark blue supposed to be stone? It's just supposed to be whatever's there. It's so far out of camera view that it's just darkness. It's like this, where it's just who knows what it is. It's just, it might still be dirt. And this one, I imagine it's still just like dirt, but it's just shadowed. Now if I do this, so this tile, this might need to be different. This might need to be like, I do want it to be like this, kind of like how I had it before. I kind of like it being just like that. If I have it like go in, it would need to be like that. That just looks weird. I'm gonna just keep it like this. I think that looks fine. But add like that. Maybe we'll do like a little. Little fella like that. This. I mean, that looks good to me. Looks good. Godot was quite good, isn't it? What's up, Connor? What's under the void? Everybody wants to know what the void is. The grass block looks like a guy with shades and a mustache. I see it. I see it. Alright, how am I gonna do a slope? I have not drawn a slope in so long. I mean, I might as well just... Whoa. I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Yeah. This is like a hard slope. I guess this is gonna be pretty easy to draw. It's just kind of like this. I think it needs to be like thick, because if it's gonna sit next to this, it's gonna have to be huge. I mean, that works. I need to go, but I need to grab like this whole like edge here. What is this song that is playing right now? Whatever this song is, it's going bonkers. Another problem that I have is if the ground is like this, right? And then it's like this. That slope will not work. And also this needs to get... Wait, did I do that wrong? Oh, that's wrong. Oh God, I did it wrong. Oh God, slopes suck. Yeah, it's like a random Texas song, random just like country jam. That wouldn't work too because this needs to go up in order for that to work. So that doesn't work. It has to be like that, which that does not connect well. You know, I don't think I'm going to have slopes that are going to be this thick in the game. You know, actually I might. That looks weird to me where it goes like up and then down. Maybe it just starts... No, it can't start like that because it has to be able to... It has to be able to be like this. We gotta get rid of all of this. Okay. I feel like I'm thinking that this looks bad when it really doesn't. I mean, this is the top one. I can do this. Right? Yeah. I can do that because this is always going to be on the top. So it's always going to be like that. Right. And then this is going to be like that. Maybe I can make it like... No. It would look like that. And then I guess everything below that is just going to be a... No, it should probably... Actually, it should probably extend the ground, right? Slopes are hard. Yeah, I saved myself from a headache because of all this, the non-slopes I made in my games. Okay. We'll have at least that much dirt. I'm just annoyed because if I copy this over, it's just going to ruin what I did. Also, this tile is that tile always wrong? Oh God, that tile was always wrong. Oh, okay. My bad, guys. I guess I wasn't realizing what you guys were even saying. that's the thing, because check this out. If I do this, that's now ground again. Let me do this. Canvas size, right? Let's just add like a big old space here. Let's make a little area here so we can actually visualize this. And then this is going to be this again. I'm going to bring this up so I can actually see this. Like, oh God, no. Why did I do it like that? We need to see it like this. Because this is going to have to be that. This is going to have to be that. So it's going to need to be like that, I guess. Right. How far can this go? This one's gonna be just like this. But with this, let's remove this. This is how my brain wants me to do this. Whoops. Oh my God. Wait. My goodness. Okay. Then there should be a layer of 3 of this before there's that. Right. Let's just do like something like this. We sound like broken NPCs. How has Jellyfields been coming along? Jellyfields has been doing great. It's been doing amazing. I kind of want to make this connect differently because of my new idea. I think I want it to connect to down there. Like that. Because it would make more sense if it connected down like that. Bing, 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 bing. Cheese is good. Everybody, I have a confession to make. Cheese is good. Okay. I think I'm figuring this out. So this would go there. Let's remove this, 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 and that, this, and that. I need to remove all distractions from my creation right now. Because I need to just figure out what the vibe I'm going for is here. Yes! This is so much better. Okay, that makes so much more sense. For it to be that way. The problem is... The problem, right? The problem, oh my, is that I now need to put this onto here. Yikes. That's gonna be really annoying to do this. Because I have to do it like this. I might just do this. Take this. Oh my god, my brain. Sorry, I cannot comprehend this. my brain cannot comprehend what's going on here. I gotta fill these in for my brain to be able to figure out what's going on here. So get rid of all this. Get rid of this. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is what I need. And then this needs to go here. Is this the same block here? So then it would also need to go here. I guess. Hold on a minute. Oh my god, I'm so confused. I have thoroughly confused myself. I might need to make this like end. Like that. And then create a new one that's going like this. Whoops. No, it's I keep doing this wrong. I need this. I need to take this. Sorry guys, shapes. Shapes apparently are difficult for me to understand. It would be that, and then that. Maybe connect them both ways. No. I wanted to make a shape, but that's not the shape that I wanted to make. Huh. I can just have it go straight across. Like this. And then add a spot here. I'm on my break. Oh, hello. Hello, Delena. Possum. What if I did something weird? Doing things that are weird is cool. I love you too. Maybe I should just do another one that goes over to here, right? I mean, that looks fine. What if you stuck jellies in there? What do you mean? There's a jelly right here. A leaf flop. Good old leaf flop. One, two, three, four. Perfect. We're just gonna make our own different thing. This one's different. There you go. And now you can just kind of take this and just slap it there like that, and then it works into that, and then this one needs to just go like that. Doesn't this, wait. 1, 2, 3, and then that. 1, 2, 3, and then it is that color? Nah, don't like that. What do you guys think? Do you think they should go over? And then it would be like this. Add a thing there like that. I think that looks pretty cool. I think I like that. I think I like it. Hello, STA or Sta does YouTube. What's up, Pigment? Pigment, please. Okay. Let's do something more. Let's do a version of this that is an actual ground tile. So it's going to actually connect into the ground. That means it's gonna be like this, and then it's gonna have to do something like that. So maybe these are gonna go in one, and then do that. So maybe something like that. Then this will have to be just like filled in. Interesting. I think I want to get rid of this. I'm mad at that. I'm so genuinely mad at that. It's just so confusing. All tiles revert to this. Revert to this, so I'm less confused with myself. Oh, that's so much better. So much better. And then we can fix. Oh, this one wasn't fixed. That is... It also just looks better, to be honest. Where does this go to? Like that. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Maybe it doesn't go there. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, like that. Like this. Do it like that. Oh, that looks better. Shouldn't this just be able to be this? Yeah. Cool. Woo. So then this would be this again. Did I screw this up? I did. Okay, so it did screw this up. These have been screwed up. They must be this one. Because this is 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah. What? I don't even know how that happened. There we go. Okay. What are you doing, Fairlii? Working on a video game. Working on a good old-fashioned video game, as per usual. As expected. I'm gonna make some more tiles. Just so we have the tiles that are, like, most commonly used. And then we are going to actually go and start doing some coding. An hour into the stream, we're going to start coding. Sorry, I'm just doing this just because it's going to look nicer. Look at that! That's actually really cool. Platformer? Yes, I'm making a platformer. We are in progress of making a jelly platformer game, which is something that I've always wanted to do. I guess we can just kind of take inspiration from our one tile block there. This is gonna go like that, so we got to remove these. It's gonna need to... How do you like Godot so far? I like Godot. It's nice. This needs to go like this. It's gonna be like that. This is going to need to do like what it did there and come over and up. Like that. And then it's gonna basically, well actually let me do this. Let's take that and move that out of the way. This is gonna basically be this. And this is gonna need to... It's gonna kind of need to do like one of these. It's gonna come up, and then this needs to basically flip like that. So that has to flip like that, but I'm just gonna spam click all of this. This is gonna be the same up here. Like that. It's gonna start off the same, but it's actually going to like come over. Then this is gonna be that. This is gonna be that. We're gonna refine this in a second. Do you think it's better than Unity? I don't have enough time in Godot to say if it's better than Unity. There are many things in Godot that make me very, very angry, though. So now this needs to come over like that. Hello, Fairlii. Hi, Spider Bro. Also, once again, if you enjoy the stream, give the stream a like. If you want to support the channel and help me buy cheese, click the join button or check out the link in the description. Become a member. You can become a member for as low as $2 a month, and you get a bunch of cool stuff like emotes, behind the scenes stuff, my games for free if they ever get released, and other cool things. I guess this wouldn't really need to be like that. It would just be like that. We need the like start of one of these. Let's see. We need 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2 tie. 1, 2, 3, 2 tie. We'll do that because that's not going to interfere with anything. And then we know that it just goes over like that. Like that. Wow. Is the money you get from members only for cheese? What? No. No. Maybe. Only maybe the members. You know, who are you to say? Who are to say what I use my members' money for? I'm eating salad on sticks. Goodbye. Goodbye. Does this even line up? No. Oh. Let's actually fix this so that it lines up. This isn't even right. It's supposed to go like that, like this, and then it's supposed to go up. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. I gotta fix this. I've got to fix this because it's really confusing. Is this just not right in general? Hold on a minute. One, two, 1, 2, 3. It's just wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Let's redo this. Just so that we fix it. Just fix it already. Okay. People are asking if I don't spend my members' money on cheese, what do I buy? I don't spend it on cheese. I don't know why you would think I do that. It's honestly quite childish from you guys to think that I would spend all of my membership money on just cheese. I'm making a new game in Godot. No, honestly, all of that money goes towards bills. Gots to pay the bills. So now now that I did that, I need to change all of these tiles. I need to actually change all of this stuff. I also need to change these bottom ones too. I don't really need to change much about this. I just need to move that over. Oh wait, that would actually go up there. Arrgh! Don't make a complex tile set. And if you do make a complex tile set, finalize the idea for the tile before you start drawing all the other ones. That's my piece of advice for this stream. I will not be giving words of advice in other streams. I'm kidding. Okay, now it's all good. Except for this one. So that one's wrong. And this bottom one is correct. So we gotta take this one and then remove all of the bottom tiles with this one. There we go. Now we should be good. Except the fact that this is wrong now. How is this wrong? Let's see. This should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. 1, 2. I don't know why I was doing that when I can just count it myself. That should be like that. And this should be like that. And then like that. There you go. And then this one should be the 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, that's wrong. Okay. Those aren't all like that, are they? No. This should be like that. Hold on. Let me do this properly here. You should make a tutorial channel. I have thought about that. And then it's going to go up 2 and then up another one. That should be good. I think we did that. We did the thing. We have done it. And now what we need to do here is remove all this nonsense wackiness. And then hope that this, okay. And then we go to this. Sorry, it's playing some different music. Welcome back, Lucas. Let's just grab this bit to there. We're gonna move it up to here. And then just extend these. Perfect. And so that means that this is going to be exactly the same. I can go one over. So to here. That's going to boom 1 2, and then it's gonna go up like that. Bam! I'm a tutorial? What? Are you just sort of like a tutorial NPC? I always knew you had tutorial energy. Fairlii, once you become very popular, please don't forget about us. Once I become popular? That's gonna happen? That's guaranteed? I don't know about that. Wait, how did that make sense? That's a full tile. Oh, because the outline. So it would be like that. Like that. This doesn't make a whole lot of sense. But at the same time it does, right? Do you spend your money on eggs? Yeah, actually. I eat a lot of eggs. I like protein. Now we actually need to do this. We actually need to make this taller. And then bring this over. And then we need to do that. Remove that. That. Move that over. Move that over. And then duplicate it like that. Because we need to make another one of these. That's pretty much gonna be I guess it's really just gonna be this. Is that it? Yeah, no, yeah, no, no. No. Yes. This one should have this too then. There we go. You have to play egg game. What? I don't play egg game. I play eating protein. I eat a lot of protein. Arrgh. Does that look wrong because the wall is too close? I think I screwed it. I think I beamed it. I think this needs to go like that. And then this needs to be all... I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Ugh. Okay, I didn't do it. Your videos and streams have a certain wholesome quality that's very refreshing. Many people try to emulate Danny's approach, but you're quite different, so I believe you'll become very popular one day. Thank you, Spider Bro. What is Danny's approach? I wasn't watching your lives, but because I don't have time. This is not Jellyfields. This is a new thing. This is a completely new gaming experience brought to you by M&M's. No, it's not. Don't listen to that. I lied. M&M's was the first brand I could think of for some reason. Okay, I need to just do this. That's 1, 2 from the top, 1, 2 from the top. Yep. This will need to be pretty much this. Okay, wait. Bring that back. Let's do this. Let's grab this. Drag this over. And then that'll need to be like that. So we pretty much need to take... And then this will be... another one of these. Pretty much need to take this little fella here. Move him out of the way. Take this. No. No. Ah! I need this again. And then I guess just I need that again because it's the same thing. Like that. And then you add this. Like that. And then this is gonna go over here. And it's going to not connect to that. Arrgh! It has to go 2 over. No! So that means I gotta do this. 1, 2. Remove all of this. I didn't know this was going to become an art stream. I would have said art stream if I thought it was going to become this. We now need to remove all of this. And then grab this. Okay. Once again, we're going to grab this. Yank it there and there. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. I'm going to be smart about this. Make this just a tile. So I can just grab things and attach things to it. So now I can just grab this one and then just attach that to it. Now that will go like that. That will go like that. And this will become this, but with this. That's really good looking. Hey, I think that looks really good. What do you guys think? Leave your comment down below. Subscribe for another video. Autumn break so I can grind some stupid stuff like game dev. Yippee! Hey, game dev's not stupid. It's helpful for your future. Your future. Okay. Now we need to make just a couple more tiles, and then we can actually get on to working on getting on going and working on it. I haven't seen Godot since I've been here. I am mad. Oh, you haven't, huh? Oh. What's that? What's that? Oh, what's that? What's that? Where's the script? Oh. What is that? It's documentation for global scope. Shut up. Love you, Aya. I had Godot open because I was gonna code some stuff, but then I realized that I want the game to look pretty for the stream. Duh. If someone donates $10 right now, I'll open Godot for a minute. Every $10 is another minute of coding. Can you show us the gameplay so far? Yeah. Here's the gameplay. You can move and jump, and there's double jump capabilities and variable jump height. So when you let go of the longer you hold the jump, the higher you'll go. If you let go early, you go low. That's all I did last night. I only worked on this since last night. Pretty cool so far though. But I want to get these visuals in. There's just a few more visuals we need. We need to make a rightward facing block. Bloch. That's gonna be just this. This. What is the deal here? What is the deal? What happened there? When you do this, and then you add this. Oh, it's because of that. Okay. I'm gonna just not do that, and then I'm not gonna do that there either. There you go. That's consistent. So now we can do something like this. This is all I need to do. Grab this, move this over here. We have that. And then we have a middle. We now need a right. So we need to just take this, and then do this, and then that. There's a right. And now we need a bottom. Which is gonna be that. But then you take this and you flip that. That's gonna be weird because it's gonna be like that. Like that. No. Just no. Just what am I doing here? What are we doing here? Just like that. Then we need to get a left and a right. Which is just gonna be like this. I mean, honestly, I think it works just going super simple with the side tiles like this, right? It doesn't look terrible to do it this way. Because the alternative to doing this, I guess no. I guess it would be like this. Because if we do like this, hold on. Let's just make this bigger so we can do this over here. If we make one that's like this. a big ol' one, it's gonna need to be like this. Which means we're also going to need to make the other direction facing of that one. Let's make it go down this far. Let's make it go down this far so it doesn't collide with that other thing that we're working on. This is just gonna have to be all of the different directions of that, right? This one's gonna need to be this. Okay, so it turns out there are a lot of tiles we need to make. Blah, 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 blah. See you guys. See ya. See you and goodbye. This is gonna be like this. And then we need another one. I should have kept this. I knew there was a reason why I shouldn't have deleted that one. Yeah, keep this. And then we're gonna take this. We're gonna make it face. Whoa. We're gonna take this, we're gonna make a face like that. And then we're gonna grab another one of these, another one of those. Grab this fella again. This time he's gonna face this way. This fella again. This time he's gonna face this way. I think that these should... Does he read comments? No! Never! So it's going to be a fighting game like Smash, or it's going to be a platformer? It's going to be a platformer. I think the bottom... I think I did this weird. No, it's not weird. It's just weird in this context. It's weird if you make a thing like this shape. Fairlii, I'm in school. I'm in the bathroom. Say a real bad word. Stinky. Stinker. Stupid head. Okay. Also, if you're in school, get off of the stream. Be in school. Pay attention. The jelly's fighting for our hearts. Aww. Let's just, slap this tile set into here. I'm gonna actually just grab it like this. I've been wanting to start making my tile sets actually, like, make sense. Make sense in the actual thingy. Like that, and then we need to grab this corner. We also need this wall. Do we have the bottom tile? No, we do not. We need this bottom tile. Yeah. We need this. This is just by itself. And then we need the one that's here. Probably should have grabbed the one below it too. It's playing Happy Birthday. Happy birthday. Hi, Happy Sally. What did I miss? And I'll miss more if I go to the kitchen to get some Chinese chicken. Oh. I'm back. What did I miss? Do you need a slope facing the other way? Yes, I do. I'm just grabbing the ones that I need at the moment. I need all of these. So we gotta make this thing big. We need all of this. And then we do need a slope facing the other way. So we just take this. And then we... take you. And then we just remove all this. We do grab it like that. And then har har har. Like that. Move all of this. You guys are gonna have to remind me how to do the physics shapes. I guess I should take this and move this somewhere else. Well, that's already down there, so I don't need that. Let's move this all over so that the slope can go here, and then the inner thingy. This, I think this is fine being like, oh god. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm not paying attention to what I'm trying to do here. We need this. I mean, I guess we just really need this. I'm like grabbing the wrong one repeatedly. And then going, oh no, I grabbed the wrong one. And then I just grabbed it again. We already have the one facing the other way, right? Yeah. I didn't have this wall. And that means I don't have the other side of that wall. So we should actually take this. Extend this longer. That wall needs to be there. And then we'll put the completely dark one there. And we'll take this. Remove all of these. And I could make it contingent, or not contiguous, and then do the thing, but I don't care. Okay, so that's that way. We want it to be this way. Like that. Cool. That's going like that, and then like that, and then we can get this going like this. Is this supposed to end? It's supposed to end, right? Right, so it goes 1, 2, 3, and then ends. One, two, three, and then it ends. So none of this, none of this, none of this, none of this, none of this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then. So like, this one doesn't have the thing on the end though. It just has it like that. Okay. What's happening in chat? A sprite. It's like Photoshop of pixels. Please don't spam. No counting, please. I have A sprite on Steam, so I can see how many hours I have on A sprite. I think it's somewhere in the 6,000 hour range. I use a lot of A sprite. If you can't tell. Okay. I'm gonna just crop this. No, I'll keep it this size in case I add more tiles in the future. For now, it'll just be like this. I'm gonna save this to leaf flip tail areas. I'm just gonna call this area 1 for now, so I don't have an official name. Area 1 tile set. And then we're gonna export it. And then I'm going to go into Godot. We're also going to export our little buddy here. I'm just gonna make it 16 by 16, and we're going to just in here, we're just gonna say leaf flip. Okay. We're going to Godot, finally. And I can actually explain to you guys my ideas for the game. What will make it interesting and different. I can actually delete this jelly, and I can delete... I'm actually going to delete this entire map entirely. And I'm going to delete this. I said areas, and then I called it forest, but that's not what it's going to be. It's going to be area 1 for now. And I'm going to not open up the Windows store. How do you delete a... Perfect. We're going to go to leaf flip tail areas, area 1. Drag in the tile set. And then in sprites, we're going to grab a leaf flip. And then that's going to be for now. It like kept the sprite even though the sprite is not even in the game anymore. That's interesting. Oh god, it's frozen. Hey Fairlii, why don't you use layers in A sprite? I do use layers in A sprite. I didn't need them in the thing that I was working on. Okay, get our little hitbox there. We're going to... I'm just going to redo the tile map. New tile set. And we're going to drag this in. No? Drag this in? Yes. And then do that. How does one do the thing? Fairlii's positive vibes are the only thing stopping me from commit multiple war crimes. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious. Gotta learn to make a simple dialogue system when I'm not too lazy. Yeah, the laziness is what'll get you. And then we need to go here, right? I think I remember how to do this. And then you add that. And then it's a ground layer and it collides with ground. Yes. So now in here, we go to tile set. I feel like I've learned so much about Godot lately. Paint. And then I don't know why it does this, but I have to unfull screen or I have to make the window smaller in order to see the physics layer. And then we're just gonna paint the physics onto all of these. But then how does one do the edit of the physics? How does one... How does I do that? Physics layer 0. Ah. Just delete this one. Uh-oh. This. Remove. Oh, that's quite easy. I see. So now if I go to tile map, which I don't know where the heck I've ended up now. If I get to the tile map and I go to the draw and I draw to the ground. How do I changed the thing, right guys? I changed the texture. Wait. Here's. I changed that last night, but I guess I just like stopped doing it. Aw. I don't think you need physics for every tile, especially the bottom ones. Bottom ones. I mean, I don't need it for every tile, but is it gonna hurt to have physics on every tile? Like, is that going to actually cause an issue? I want to... How do you learn so much in just a few streams? How? This is my life. If I don't learn these things, I do not have a job. And if I do not have a job, I don't have money. And if I don't have money, that's not very good. I wish I could see what I'm trying to do here. Okay, no, this has to be like this. Good. I'm gonna just do a couple of slight platforms there. I don't think it's possible for me to get up to this, so we're gonna put this up here. Well, actually, with that double jump, I might be able to actually get up there. Let's see. Wait, you guys said that the slopes work perfect. Is my slopes don't work perfect? I'm bouncing, and I'm going slower on them. Maybe I'm just used to like how good constructs slopes worked. And construct, you could have a slope this wide and your character would just stick straight to it. And I'm also going slowly. Boing, 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 boing. I feel like my speed is, I'm too slow. Turn snap distance up. How does one, where do you find that? Physics? How do you find that? It's in the character. Floor. Snap length. What if I change it to 5 pixels? He does jump very high. I want him to be able to jump up two blocks. Oh. That's good. Constant speed. You probably only need like 2 or 3. Yeah. I'm just doing... Wow. I probably should just do 3. We'll see if that works. I made a Leaflup subreddit. Perfect. Boing, 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 boing. Boing, 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 boing. He needs to go faster. Let's set his speed to 85. I think that it taking really long to load is an issue with my computer. My PC is it's like six years old now. It does that with like different programs. It's kind of annoying. It might be because my storage is super full. That feels better. I need to add sprinting. Should we add sprinting really quick? Let's actually make it so I turn when I turn, right? I'm just gonna do it this way. I'm just gonna add a funk flip. And then we're gonna go in here, and then we're gonna say my CPU is about 8 years old. Do I have a newish GPU though? I think it's just because I have low storage. I want to start coding. What language, what program should I try? I would say Godot is very beginner friendly. If velocity.x is greater than 0. Used to Unity. I need a reference to my sprite renderer. So how do I do that again? On ready var sprite. How do I can't remember how to do this. It's like dot money sprite 2D. It would be like this, and then sprite 2D equals. Does that work? Sprite dot flip horizontal. I'm assuming that has to be a true or false. So if you're going right, it should be false. Actually, no. I don't need to do it this way. I can just have it say because I know big brain coders would find a way to make it just do to do this. Big brain coders would find a way to make it do sprite.flip age equals like this. But I'm gonna do it this way because I don't know how to use Godot very well. So we're just gonna do an else. And then we're just going to call flip at the end there. Oh, I forgot. There's another aspect to the game that I didn't tell you guys about. I made a maximum fall speed. So you don't just keep falling faster and faster and faster. Cool. Okay, so we have that. So now we can make, what did I say I was gonna make? A sprint. So let's say blah 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 blah. Let's say if input dot action does action press just see Action just press would only trigger once, and action press would probably trigger it. No, I only want it to do once. Oh my gosh. I'll do just pressed, and then I'm gonna call it sprint. If sprint was just pressed, then we're going to do blah 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 blah. We're gonna need to go up here. We have our speed. We need an export var current speed, just a float, and then we need to have run speed, which is also a float. Okay. So instead of going that, you're going to go current speed. Oh god, this is so annoying that it's like this. Pass. Because that pass isn't there, it's ruining everything. Current speed. There we go. Okay. We're gonna say current speed equals run speed, and this is going to direction times current speed. We're going to actually make it actually, let's do current speed equals, we're gonna do move toward from to, and then the delta. We're gonna move from current speed to run speed, and we're gonna do it at I'm gonna add another speed, run speed again, which is another flip. Just so I have more control over this. Then else, we can just do, I just want to see if this is going to actually work. We'll see if this works. Get to input map, and we're going to add sprint. And I'm just going to make it shift for now. I'm going to make this 1 so it's like kind of slow. And then I also need to say I like dogs. You did a mile run today? How did that go? The art looks so good. Thank you. Oh. Whoa. Okay, cool. So the normal speed is going to be 85. The run speed we're going to say is 120. And so it now should just... Okay. 10. So let's make it go faster. Let's make you run like super fast just so we can see it better. if the SPS gets higher. Doesn't physics process already have delta built in? So now we can see the time skip there. I thought that physics process already used delta. I mean, no, that's multiplied by delta there. Huh. Okay, I guess it doesn't do that. Move and slide uses delta. Move towards needs delta. Move towards. No, this is the built-in one and it doesn't have delta. Love your vids, dude. Thank you. Same concept of gravity acceleration. Why would they build, this is the built-in thing right here. This right here. Every acceleration needs a delta. This move towards right here. This move towards. Anything involved with move inside has delta. This move towards is like the default script in Godot. Wouldn't you think they would do that correctly? They don't do a delta in here. It doesn't even. There's no delta. Aya jump scare. Love you too, Aya. Sax, thank you for the help. But if I don't do what you suggest, don't keep asking it. I need delta time. Or I mean, delta time. We're talking so much about delta time that I'm thinking about it. I need coyote time. Let's add some coyote time. Let's add another one. I'm so used to Unity. In Unity, I hold shift and press enter to go down a line instead of just enter. Which you can just do, just enter in Unity too. Coyote timer. Just gonna be float. How do I do a timer again, guys? Movement things auto have delta applied, but some other built-in things don't have delta. Does move toward have delta applied? Let's see. I don't know. I just started reading all these other things. Godot.add coyote time. I think move towards is a function for move inside, so yeah. Okay. That's what I expected. So the coyote time, basically, if we need to go, if it's not on floor, coyote minus delta. And then if you are on the floor, we're gonna say coyote timer equals, we need to add a new one. We actually don't need to export the normal coyote timer. Coyote time max, which is a float. We don't need to export that one. We don't need to export this either. Okay. Coyote timer max. Okay. I do know that that's setting that every time, but that doesn't really matter. This isn't going to do anything. I don't know why I hit play. It's not going to do anything. If it's not on the floor or jumps left, it's greater than that. Should I add a third or? Would that be fine? Or coyote timer is greater than 0. There's just like 50 of them. Let's have the coyote timer be like, we're gonna change our jumps max to be 1. And we're gonna change the coyote timer to be 10 seconds. Is this the engine you'll use from now on? For new things, I think. Depends on how well I mesh with this over time. Okay. I should not be able to jump for a whole 10 seconds. Yeah, okay. And then I'll fix this up. So we only want it to be like 0.5 seconds. And then we need to remove this here. And then in the jump, we'll say, if is on floor, I'm gonna add an if under this if. No, hold on. I'm gonna add an if here. If coyote timer is greater than 0. How do I want to do this? How do I want to do this? You can do stuff to different platforms if you go through like third-party like companies. I heard that they're working on doing like some sort of like partnering with some sort of internal thing. Like one of the developers, the lead developers of Godot, is trying to get some like easier method of doing it. Let's see. I guess I could just say if jumps left is greater than 0. How do I do and? Just and? And coyote timer is greater than 0. And then we'll just say we'll revert this. We'll change this. We'll change this to is on floor or that should work. What happened to the stick throwing simulator you were working on previously? That's a game I'm making in Unity. Now I should be able to. That's wrong. I don't want it to be that way. I coded it that way, but I don't want it to be that way. I also just accidentally did that. Okay. I want to do something specific, but I don't know exactly how to achieve this in a way that isn't like me adding just weirdness to the script. Will this game be canon? It will not be canon. I'm making a game and sticking to Unity. The dev of Godot is a psycho and a hater. What? Explain, please. I'll not go Godot because Unity has backtracked and is best in the end. Well, Unity is a public company now. It's a business now. And business is going to do what it can to get money. So Godot will do Godot will do things that are going to make it better, but Unity is going to do things that are going to take money from you. So it's just all up to what you really care about. What did the Godot dev do that's psycho? It's still better than Unreal, but free is better than all. Let's see. I mean, any company that you go with is going to have downsides. At least in Godot, it's open source, so the downsides will affect you less. So this script works perfectly fine. I don't want to add another thing. I guess I can say. I guess I can just do this. Is on floor. No. No. Go back to this. We'll say if is on floor, jump, or if else. So that's gonna... Hold on. I need to figure out what I'm trying to say here. The Godot dev hates on other devs trying to improve the engine. Stream lag. Don't use Roblox. Roblox is gross. Roblox is bad. Guys, what am I... I'm having a brain fart. I'm having a brain fart. If you're on the floor and you have jumps, you can jump. Else, if The coyote timer is greater than 0. Then you can jump. If you're not on the floor, coyote timer is greater than 0. This is gonna do the exact same thing as it already was doing. Yeah, this is exactly the thing that I... Okay. So we need to say if coyote timer is greater than that and jumps left is greater than 1. That's gonna fix that. There we go. No, it's not going to fix it. No! Or... Yes, okay, that should fix it. No. No, this is not what I want. Why? Why is this not working the way I would like it to? Are we getting like a Godot and Unity fight? Okay, yeah, it should be working. I mean, if you guys want to do a Godot and Unity fight here. Godot is not that good, guys. Period. Yeah, you're kind of just coming in here and being a jerk just to be a jerk. I don't even think you realize who I am. You're just coming in here to be a jerk without knowing the person that stream that you have gone to, which is really funny. Give me a second. I'm about to go off. You called me a jerk. Why? I'm gonna tell you why in a second here. I'm gonna tell you why. Give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. I'll tell you why you're a jerk. Godot sucks, period. Okay. Let me tell you something real quick. You have showed up into my stream, okay? You have showed up into my stream telling me why I should not use Godot and telling me the amazing, beautiful parts of Unity as if I do not know, as if I have not spent the last 4 years using Unity. As if I am not a Unity insider and have spent the last couple weeks talking to Unity employees and developers to fix the things in Unity. I know what Unity is. Shut up! Okay, this is working. Oh, whoops. You guys can't see this, sorry. Now there is a little tiny bit of... Yay! There's a little tiny bit of coyote time. It doesn't... The code doesn't look amazing, but it works, so who cares? 2D is definitely better in Godot. Fairlii is having a panic attack. I never said not to use Godot 2. You are literally telling everybody in chat, including me, that Godot is bad and Unity is better. You are not being fair. You are not being fair. You are acting like you have come into chat and you are being the most fair and understanding person when all you have done is come into chat and then yell at people for deciding to use a game engine. Just because you use Unity doesn't mean people need to use Unity too. You are stuck on the main developer of Godot being a psycho, and yet you are also willing to be apologetic towards all of the bad things Unity have done just because they backtracked it. That doesn't make sense. You're a hypocrite. You need to look into Unity. Look into all of the people that have left Unity. Look at all of the people that were at Unity for like 13 years and then quit. Why would they do that if people in Unity weren't psychos? There's psychos in every company. That's how companies work. You just pick the one that you think is least bad. Just use what you like. You don't have to complain. I'm just trying, bro. You're a drama queen. We want to know what? How about you go and eat a hamburger? Go eat a hamburger. Unity should be about unity. Come on, guys. Let's be united and stop fighting. Unity is amazing. Godot is amazing. I think they're both great. They both have downsides, yes, but there's a downside to everything in life. There's not one thing that doesn't have a downside. Me, I'm a game developer, but can I dance? No, that's a downside. Okay, this is starting to feel a lot nicer. The coyote time adds so much. The variable jump height is nice too. You can get some good actual, like, good distance. I think the camera should be a little more zoomed in. Hamburgers are my favorite. Hell yeah. What do you get on your hamburger? Yeah, but if Godot has more downsides, it's worse? No, not necessarily. I mean, maybe the good sides are very good. As the #1 Unity insider, Unity is cool, but it's okay if you want to struggle with other lesser engines. I totally respect it. I'm just expanding my mind, and let me be completely honest with you guys. If you guys want my 100% honest opinions, I like Unity, and I have more experience in Unity. Unity is the game engine for me. However, I'm also a content creator. And I believe that if I were to do live streams and content around Godot, it would be more valuable to the community because the game dev community is obviously very much in support of Godot, and Godot's been... A lot of people are trying out Godot right now. So I don't want to sit here and just be like some sort of... I don't want to be like, yes, only use Unity. I think people can use both. I'm having fun with both of them. My main project, Jellyfields, this is my main commercial this is what I want to be my big game. And this is what I'm comfortable in. This is what I have the most in. But also, this is fun too. I'm just having fun. That's all I'm doing. Will this game that I'm making, Godot, be finished? Who knows? I don't know. It might not be finished because I might just get... There might be parts of Godot that really, truly frustrate me and I quit. Who knows? Maybe I just have a good time. Just making a small little game, have a good time, little fun time. Just live streams for the community. It's just a good little time. Expanding my mind. Aya is a Unity shill. He will never expand his mind. And you know what? I love him. Okay. So we've got... What other things do I need? I might actually open up my... Let me do this. Let me close out of Unity here. I'm gonna just close out of that and save that. I'm gonna open up... Listen, I am the same way, Aya. I don't think I would ever abandon Unity. I don't think I'd survive. If I'm gonna be honest. Don't think I would survive without it. I'm gonna go into here. I'm doing a thing, guys. I'm doing a thing. I'm gonna go to my scripts and I'm gonna go to my player controller. I'm actually opening up my player controller script for a different game in C# and I'm gonna just look at the things and just be like, look at what I've forgotten. I need to go to the gym and eat a burger. Eat before you go to the gym. Don't eat after. And probably don't eat a hamburger before the gym. Eat something good for you. And then go to the gym. And then you can treat yourself with a hamburger. Unity is the way still. I'm only looking at this script because I already wrote it. If I hadn't wrote this script, I wouldn't just randomly open up C# and start typing a script in C#. God, I can't speak. Let's see. I got my coyote time. I guess I can do a... I don't need to do it, but you know how people will make it so that you can extend the jump? Meat is good for you. I got a double Whopper last night. Meat is good for you. I don't think a Whopper is good for you. I don't know what world you're living in. The guy who thinks Unity is amazing is also the guy who thinks Whoppers are good for you. I'm kidding. Whoppers objectively aren't good for you, though. Protein is good for you, but I don't know. I'd rather have different protein than a fast food burger. Hi, welcome. So I got my sprint. Can I make I want to make a little sprint particles here. Let's do that since I'm not really used to particles. Particle. Which one? 2D particle emitter. How would I make it a, you know, material? How do I do it? Can you guys help me? Do I need to make a actual, like, I mean, I do this in Unity. Will I do this here too? Just export a, why's my caps lock on? I call it dot. And then I export the dot. And then I go to my thing here, and then I just bring the dot in. And then that's what it is. I want to say thank you for standing up for Godot, even if you're a Unity developer. No problem. I think all of the engines are cool. I feel like people think that I've always been Unity only kind of guy. I literally made a video about GDevelop. Maybe people didn't believe that I was being truthful in my GDevelop video because it was sponsored, but I was willing to do the GDevelop video for no money. They wanted to give me money. Do I make a material? Is this the game engine you're using from now on? I don't know. I'm still making my main game in Unity. How do I do the particles, guys? Texture? Is it a material? No. Clear. I have CPU particles. Process. I need the documentation. Should I do GPU particles? It's already emitting a white pixel. Oh, it is. How would I change it to a different thing? Try GPU. Should I use CPU or GPU particles? What's better for 2D? I feel like GPU would be better for 3D, right? I'm not certain. Does the documentation tell me? Provides the same functionality with hardware acceleration, but may not run on older devices. Use GPU for desktop. Okay, cool. Change type. GPU. Material is not assigned. Whoa. Wait. Now how do I do this? Material. Material to process the particles is not. Texture? No, that's just settings for the texture itself. I have no idea. I have no idea, guys. Process material? Clear. Where do I find this process material? Particle process material? Ah, right. I remember this now. I remember this now. Visibility. Ordering. So now it'll be above that. And then is this where you would also put in texture? I see. All right. So we want to make this. What is lifetime range? Does that just... Okay. Particle flags, direction. I want it to go... Direction? Oh, is that the direction that it starts in? Gravity. No gravity. Velocity. Orbit. Linear acceleration. Oh my, I'm gonna have to get used to figuring all this stuff out. So now that would be spinning. Interesting. Stop! Okay, I don't want it to be. I want it to be 0. Okay. What if I do... Can I do negative? What? Oh, it would be backwards, right? Wait. Wait. How do I make the... What? Why does min and max for negatives just always just equal the same? He's not asleep now. Are there gonna be enemies? Yes. I don't want the variation in spread. So my question is, how does... Oh man, this is confusing me. Zero for that. 0 for that. How do you... Direction? Oh, what's flatness? That's spread. Oh, wait. How do I make it random? Wait. How do you make it randomized? What if I don't want them all to be following that same, like I want some of them to be lower, like the direction to be lower than other ones. I guess spread. Sorry, this is confusing compared to how Unity does things. Okay, now we need to change the... It's just gonna be a point. 8. Animation scale. Oh my goodness. Uh, should it be in front or behind him? The particles are for the running. Have you ever tried to make a game at a low resolution? What do you mean? I feel like it need to be a lot more. Maybe it should be more the speed. But yeah, it should be behind. Can you change that? But yeah, we should change the Z index to be 0 so that it'll be a behind him, and then you are going to be 1. No, that does not look good at all. Nope. I might just move where it starts. Oh God, no, what? Oh, it's because this is like that. Oh, I hate this so much. That's the worst part of Godot. This will be like that. So, emitting off. So then I would get so then would I get a GPU particles 2D? And then I guess I'm saying if this, then we'll say run particles dot emitting. Wait, I named it run particle. How do you set the emitting? What is it called? Like is. There we go. Else. Cool. And then we'll say now it should only do it if it's. It should only start if it's on the floor. This is not the best code, but it's code. I do need to zoom in the camera. Let's zoom the camera in a bit. I don't want the game to have so... I guess it shouldn't, It shouldn't, do. Stream's been going for a long time now. Yeah, long stream today. I'm gonna just make a new thing. We're gonna just make a new variable. Var is running. Boom. And we're just gonna say is running equals true. And instead of all of this run particle nonsense, we're gonna just do it in one thing. I'm gonna just call it a function. I'm gonna make it a function. Func run particles. And then we're gonna say if is running and is touching so if you're running, else run particles dot emitting. Am I typing this right? Okay. If you're not running at all, oh, it's because of that. Hi, John. Or Josh. Sorry, I called you John. Oh, man. I'm so sorry. You have to be running... You have to be running and on the floor for run particles dot emitting to equal true. So then here we're just gonna call run particles. There. Close enough. Oh, I just noticed that flip is being called. We gotta say no, we gotta say if velocity is equal to 0, then just return. There we go. Okay. Close enough. Sorry, Josh. Do you prefer 3D or 2D platformers to play, not make? I prefer to play. Oh. I prefer to play 3D platformers compared to 2D platformers. I feel like 2D platformers, I don't know. A lot of times they're not what I want them to be. I am looking very forward to Mario Wonder, though. Okay, so this works, but you can still just hold the sprint button and the particles will come out. So we need to say if running and is on floor. I'm a weirdo and I like to do this. I think it's called the current speed. If current speed is greater than... No. I'll say if velocity dot x is not equal to 0. Then grab this, put it there. Clear that. I like to put if... I'm weird. I'm weird, okay. Oh, but it needs to do a secondary check. Revving up the engine. I actually need to do this differently. Okay. I have an idea for what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do this. If you're running and you're on the floor, I guess I can just do this. Just do an else. And then just head to false. Once again, not pretty code. I'm not here to make pretty code. I'm here to make a pretty video game. And then we're going to fix the run particles, because at the moment the run particles, as you can see, are moving to the left. And that's actually wrong. So where was that in? Initial. Where was that at that I was doing the acceleration? Is it that? Direction? Ah. That's what we want. I'm starting to figure out. I'm starting to get the way that the like directions and stuff work now. Look at him running! Whee! Whee! Let me grab my controller. Oh, I can't sprint on my controller. Let's fix that. Let's turn emitting off on this fella. And then let's go to our input map. Let's go to sprint, and then we're gonna add. Is that the button that people normally use for running in video games? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the emitter just appear in the middle of the sprite instead of on the side. How can he run with no legs? He's going to jump. I guess we should probably do the jump. That might be like the last thing that we do for today. Position 0. Now he's going to just... Whee! It's really bothering me that I did not make a way for my own self to get up here. I played myself. And then maybe just to show off what other possibilities I have with the thingy, I can just do it like that. We're making a nice little cozy little world here. Kind of into it. Whee! Boing, boing. I might make the, no, I don't know. If I get real fancy, I'll make it so that when he goes on a slope, he's like, his sprite will like snap to it. You know what I mean? Like it'll rotate to be on it. Maybe. If I get good at Godot, that's what I would do. Let's see. Let's go back to a sprite because we're gonna actually, I'm gonna need Godot gang's help with animations here, because we're gonna get this animation. And this is all the animations we need for right now. I'm gonna actually do this. For the time being, I'm gonna just do this and then this. Do frame, do that. Maybe we'll move the leaf up or something. No. We're just gonna keep it the same. Let's see here. Cool. We're gonna do this. Save as leaflup. Then we're gonna export this spreadsheet, and we're gonna do it over that guy. If I drag a thing into Godot, is it going to like overwrite it? Yep. Cool. So, 2. How do I do animations again? I add a child of animation player. And I make a new animation called idle. Why didn't you guys tell me to plug my phone in? What the heck, guys? My phone's been low on battery this whole time. You guys didn't tell me to plug it in. Come on. What do I pay you guys for? Animated sprite instead of sprite 2D. Can't I just do the I want to do more than just change the sprite. I want to do squash and stretch. We've been telling you for ages. Okay. Oh man, I need to remember how I do this. Looks like he has a piece of corn stuck in his head. That's what you guys have been saying. We're gonna add a property track, and we're going to do the player sprite 2D. We are going to do the H frames. Then we're going to do the sprite 2D's scale. Because it's going to just be... It's just going to be... No, we don't want H frames. We want frames. Did that actually change that? Okay, yeah, that, delete that. How do I delete this trash can? Yeah, create a new one for a frame. So it's gonna change the frame to 0. Doesn't animated sprite only changes the sprite? I don't want to just change the sprite. Wait, I need to change it to 0 and then click the key again, right? Yep. Okay. And then... How do I just advance to the next frame? Is it this button? No. Ugh. I want to just... Scale. We'll unclink it. Oh, I don't want that to be a frame. Oh man, this is gonna take me forever to get used to this. Key. It's gonna be 1.1, 0.9. Did that actually change that? Yes. But now I'm changing it forever. should be able to use both animated sprite and animation player at the same time. Is it gonna be confusing for me? What's the difference? I feel like I would like doing the way that I'm doing it now. You need to click the key once you finish the changes. Okay, so this should just be 1 and 1. So then the key should be put there. Oh my god, this is so annoying. There we go. Can I copy and paste a key? Actually, should be. And then I guess it should just be 1. Where's the button to loop? Perfect. And then, is that just going to automatically play that then? No. How does one... How does one... Current animation? How do you make it like play an animation on start? How do you do it? Yeah, how do you do what I'm wanting to do? Check the button left of edit. That? Thank you. Wee. Cool. We're gonna actually do a... I guess... We're gonna set animation through code in a really not good way right now, but we'll do it better next time. How does one make new animation? How do I new? Fuck. Add track, property track, sprite 2D, frame. We are going to start, so you click the key to add it, and then we're gonna say frame. Well, actually, it's gonna be frame 1 the entire time. No, it starts at 0, and then it goes to 1 here, key there, and then it goes back to 0, key. We're gonna add a property track, sprite 2D position. And then position, we're going to click the key. Well, we actually want that there, and then here. Discrete, is discrete what I want? Yep, and then we're gonna add a track. Scale. Here, the scale is going to be, here the scale is going to be 1, 1, and then here it's going to be 0.9 and 1.1. And then here it's going to be 1.1. Oh God. I think I've done this very wrong. What? This is supposed to be 1.1, 0.9. I didn't click the key. I want this to happen here, so I need to add a key here. That's like 1, 1. Or no. It's the same. So this needs to actually be oh God, no. This is gonna take me forever to get used to doing this. Change the value and then click the key. So whatever the hell this one was, 0.9 and 1.1. Zero 0.9, 1.1, key. Oh wait, I did it on the camera. My bad. Sorry guys. Not paying attention. Not paying attention. Why is this doing this? Why? I guess position I don't want to be discrete. Okay, I want this to loop, and then I just need it to be like I might need to do it like this. Have it be like 1.2. And then we're gonna move all of these to oh God, it's so annoying to like okay, I need to just move all of this closer. like this. And then make it, what is that, 0.3? Perfect. Let's have this be the start one, just so we can look at this. That seems pretty good to me. I need to make it like just a eensy bit slower. I think it's going to go to 0.4 because I want it to go slowly. I think that's good. Very, very good. And then we'll just have idle be the start. I think we're good. I think we might call that for today. Has it been easy developing a Godot so far? I guess, yeah. Does this feel better on controller? I know what I need to add. I need to make it so that you can't move as fast in the air. I need to set that. Let me see, because I have it in my scripts. Do you got Snap? Like Snapchat? What is it called? It's called like airspeed, right? Move ramp speed air. It's right there. So that's just moving it. Right. So in here I would like, it's helpful to create the reset animation so that the properties go back to the default and don't stay in the middle of the animation. Oh, really? It does that? Ew. Wait. Go to reset? Fairlii, after work, I'm going shopping with Taylor. I thought we were gonna get dinner. You're an inspiration to me. Game developing is truly amazing and you're great at it. Thank you so much. Ew, this is gross. I don't like having to have like a reset track. I'd hope that you'd be done streaming by now. No, I'm doing a long stream today. I'm about to get done. I can still get dinner. I want Chick-fil-A. Okay, let's see. We have run speed gain. We're going to actually do export var ground speed gain. And then we're going to have air speed gain. It's going to be a float. And then we're going to this Where is the move towards? Move toward current speed, run speed at run speed gain. I guess I can do times. Maybe I should make like a... This is a really weird way of doing this. How much do I love my soon-to-be wife? The most. The speak fluent human is impressive. Hey, Fairlii, will you consider making a 3D game one day or even a horror game? Dun dun dun! I don't know. Why is Christmas music playing? That's just what the playlist decided to do. Why did you switch engines? I have not switched engines. I have my Unity hub open right now. I still use Unity. I use both. This one's just for fun, though. Congratulations on your soon-to-be wife. Thank you. You're fairly good job with Godot. Thank you. So I want to make it so that you move slower in the air. And currently your current speed... I guess I can do an air check right before it does the move and slide. So that does direction times current speed. We can do like an air thing right before this. So then we can say current speed equals current speed times if is on floor. We're gonna just do it this way. If you're not on the floor, movement. Nope. Current speed equals current. I guess I could do times equals. Times equals air speed. I'm just gonna say air speed. I said I said you're the greatest and amazing. You're the best. There's a kid playing with your phone. I would highly recommend adding an air friction variable. That's kind of what I'm doing right now. Okay. Oh god, I'm like going through every single tab. Hold on. The music has stopped. We gotta go back to more music. Oh, the internet is taking forever to load. There we go. If I'm coding things in a weird way, it's because I don't know how to use Godot, so I'm doing it in the easiest way possible for my brain to understand. So it should make it, the airspeed should be times 0.7. So you should go, that should make you go a little bit slower. That was too much. Okay. If I do 1, it's gonna be normal, right? It's gonna need to be like 0.97. It only needs to happen if you're turning the other direction, though. We'll figure this out. Oh yeah, without Delana. Oh yeah, you guys don't see. My bad. Without Delana, I wouldn't even be making video games. See, this is... It should be only doing this if you're, if you turn around. Which is what I need to do. I like what it is so far. So we need to say... The only way that my brain can think of this... The only... How is my brain gonna think of how to do this in my limited knowledge of Godot? Because I have it right here. And I have it working good. It's just, it does the speed, and then your movement, and then it changes it by your move ramp current, which your move ramp. So basically this is limiting your movement speed. Hold on. I'm thinking it through. This is moving in the direction times the current speed. Don't make your function names with caps in them. I come from Unity. This is the only way that I can do it. I'm not gonna use snake case. I can't. I refuse. Not me. Or all lowercase. I can't do that either. Okay, Delana. I see that you forgot your watch. I see it. It's on the charger right now. Why don't you use a state machine? I'm gonna add a state machine eventually. I love you too. What are you trying to do here? I know what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to do it in a way that I can digest in Godot, since I'm still new to using Godot. So the problem is that it's moving... Let's see. So, want to vocalize what you want to do then? No. I'm thinking. I don't have to think out loud to you. I speak when I want to. Because I'm going to say something and then everybody in chat's going to be like, well, actually, you could have actually divided it by 3 and then you could have... Open up the documentation to page 32. It's really that simple. I want to do it my way. In a way that I understand, not a way that chat understands. I might just be so... My brain might just be completely blasted. My brain might be blasted from streaming for 3.5 hours. The full nerd. You literally just said the rubber ducky method. What does the rubber ducky method mean? And what article did you read or YouTube video did you watch to learn about the rubber ducky method? What does that even mean? Chill. It's just the rubber ducky method, guys. Come on. Don't you all know what I mean? Come on, Reddit. Tell your woes to a rubber duck? Is that what that means? At this point, I'm just sitting here reading chat. You keep a rubber duck on your desk and talk your problems through with it? I can listen to my thoughts, though, you know? I hear my own voice in my head. I think I need to, like, because this is just taking this, timesing it by the current speed. The current speed is ramping up by the gain. So I think this is the issue, is that I'm doing that. And I need to ramp it up by the gain. And then I guess I could just say if you're not on the floor, in my brain, this is gonna make sense. We don't want it to be run speed gain, so we're gonna want to call it air speed gain. I'm still gonna just keep bring that back. This is not gonna be exported because I don't need to. If you're not on the floor, then airspeed gain is going to be equal to airspeed. Else, airspeed gain is going to be equal to 0. I guess it'll be 1. And then you're going to do run speed gain times airspeed. My brain is mush right now. You're making your own game? Awesome. Yes, and he should refactor for dependency injection and the inherited subclass before instantiating a parented scene. Boo! You guys are nerds! I'm literally like programming and calling everyone in chat a nerd. Get alive! You guys are nerds. I need to put this to like 0.2 so I can actually see it doing something. Yeah, this is wrong. Oh, wait, no. What? Yeah, I did this wrong. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what I'm trying to think of. Airspeed gain equals airspeed. Airspeed gain. Okay. Okay, it's totally normal. Times it by that. Whoops. I'm so used to opening up that. So then we gotta say airspeed gain equals airspeed gain equals. If you're not on the floor, it should be that. Should be that. Oh, this doesn't work because of how... Right, okay. Hold on. This is going to be something that I'm going to have to do completely in a completely different time. Right. Yeah, this is beyond my brain at this point. This is beyond my capabilities because I'm thinking in the sense of the velocity and unity, and then I'm thinking of the completely wrong thing. I'll get that going. For those of you wondering what I was actually trying to do, it's super simple, and I don't know why I can't think of how to do it. I just want to make it so that when you're in the air, you can't just, you know, go like do that. You can't. You won't have... I don't want to have super full control in the air. The game's starting to feel pretty good, though, so far. It's feeling good. For those of you that are here, I can actually describe what my plans for the game are. What will make this an interesting and fun game to play. Basically, here's my plan for the game. So, it's just your usual platformer game, right? What'll make it fun and unique is that there will be little power-up stands. And how the power-up stands will work is when you come across... So let's say this block right here is a power-up stand. And you're in a level, and it is a power-up stand. You go to it, and you will have a currency called leaves, which are just basically going to be like a little leaf. And you will have to basically donate to this stand to unlock the power-up. But once you unlock it, it's there forever. So, like, if you were to die and then come back, you can get the power-up again. And if you don't want the power-up, you can keep your leaves. But the stand might have, like, a decent power-up that's cheap, and then, like, a really good power-up that's expensive that'll really help you out. So if like an area is tough, you can always just like go back and buy like the better power up. And the power ups are gonna be like a little hat. So this little fellow will wear a different hat depending on what power up you have. And it'll just be a cute little game. The interesting part will be the different types of power ups. They'll have very weird and interesting interactions with things in the map. So it'll be a game where it'll be fun to come back and play different levels with different power-ups. I probably described that horribly because, like I said, 3 hour and 45 minute stream mush brain. But I think that's gonna be the end of the stream. Stream for a very long time, and very blah, you know what I mean? I can't even like try to talk and say what I'm trying to say anymore. Thanks everybody that showed up. I love those little guys. They're looking a tad green. That's the design of them. They're green. That's why they look green. Before you leave, what could I do if I got 7,500 gems? Could I get a bee jelly roll? I don't know. I appreciate the stream. Thanks for showing up, everybody. Remember, if you want to get access to content early and behind the scenes stuff, and also cool, interesting things for the stream, like emojis and your name up in the top right over there in the member list, consider becoming a member. Click the join button or the link in the description. You can become a member for as low as $2 a month. And it helps me out, and yeah, it's cool. Okay.